Görüşürüz. 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 Yarın görüşürüz. Yarın görüşürüz. Yarın görüşürüz. Tamam, sonra görüşürüz. Tamam, sonra görüşürüz. Tamam, sonra görüşürüz. Evde görüşürüz. Evde görüşürüz. Evde görüşürüz. If you liked this video and learned something new, please subscribe to my channel to watch more lessons on how to learn Turkish the easy way. Also, if you think this video can benefit somebody else, please share it with others because sharing is nice, sharing is helpful. Last, if you have any comment or request, please provide your feedback in the comment section below and I'll do my best to respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lessons.